Kraksalo Rajakhor Agulini Pragna Bhavanao state level ni livestock health security innovation and disease prevention surveillance and control no Twiwi Kaisa seminar Khlaijakha.Ah Salni Pandao Narowai Okra Wngwi Manjakha ARDD ni secretary Deepa Nair director Dr.N.K Chanchal no Khobwi te Kubun Adongrok.
Ma'am, good morning and thank you for being here. আমরা আশা করব পরিবেশ আমাদের সবুজ থাকবে নির্মল থাকবে
Salni seminar no Twiwi koksanani thangai ARDD ni secretary Deepa Nair Shakha laithani bisibawo hastewo malmata pusimani kobang no nukjaka abono rugino malmata rogni katal bemar no tei veterinarian no awareness training ranani bagai salsni seminar Khlaijakha.Ah
expert institutions like College of Veterinary Sciences, Khanpara, Assam. We are also joined by experts from Indian Veterinary Research Institute, from WBLDC, and also other technical experts in the field. And as we all know, animal husbandry sector has been expanding in Tripura in the last 5 years in the form of different programs. And at the same time, there are a lot of threats to the and challenges in the sector because of the climate change and several other aspects. Human and animal diseases are, vector-borne diseases are increasing. As a result of which, it is very important that the young cadre of officers are well versed with the latest updates and developments in the field of diseases, which is threat is also to the humans. So it is extremely important that we study and we update our knowledge base. And towards this aim, today we are having this seminar, and I hope that our young cadre of officers will get a very good exposure and they will grow with the inputs that is given.
Ma'am, good morning and thank you for being here. The director at ARDD Government of Tripura. Good morning, sir, and welcome to this one-day state. বিশেষ ব্যক্তিত্বরা মঞ্চে আমাদের সঙ্গে রয়েছে
Rajakhor Agulini seminar ni kokthum Chini Khorang.